As we are in this time of turmoil, I remember when I was a little kid in the islands, when things got crazy, my mom would sing this song to us. It's an old Polynesian hymn, and she would sing, Ole Toto, O Yesu emoale filemu. And the translation in English, only by the blood of Jesus Christ can we find true peace. Then I thought to myself, I need peace. We need peace. We need the peace of God to come into this time. So I called up some of my friends and I said, hey, would you guys learn this Polynesian song? And would you guys help me record something that will bring peace into this world that is full of chaos at the moment? And they said yes. And what you're about to hear, I could have never anticipated. A people that is not my own is singing the songs of the islands. So as you listen to this, may it bring peace to your world.
Toto, Emma Waile